Hello guys, welcome back to the 7th class of the basic plus intermediate level of the cautious statistic trader strategy, card strategy. Okay, so in this lesson you're going to study some forex rules that I came up with them that help me in my trading activities every day. Okay, so every day when I wake up, I want to check on the forexfactory.com on the red major news, and I set alarm at 10 minutes before the news release. The reason why I set an alarm 10 minutes before the news is that I want to be alert when the news is about to happen, so that I can trade it if I want. Okay, yeah, so let me show you how the forex factory looks like. So just go to your Chrome like that, and just search forexfactory.com like this. So forexfactory.com and search, and if you search it, it will come like this. So today we are on a Thursday, so you can see that at 11:30 a.m. we're going to have CHF news. We are currently at 10:15 a.m. okay, yeah. So the ones that have the red flag or the red is it file, okay, they are the high impact news, and the one with the orange are the moderate impact news, and the yellow are the low impact news. Okay, yeah, so I want to be trading the high impact news, or I just want to be aware we have high impact news. Okay, yeah, so the thing that I want you to set when you get to here, I want you to tap on the time, that 10:14 a.m., and then I want you to change the time zone to your area time zone. So when I tap mine over here, you can get the different time zones, and as for me, I use Nairobi, Kenya. So yeah, so I set mine to Nairobi, Kenya. Let me look for it and tap on it. Yeah, so Nairobi, and then my time format, I like it to be AM to PM, and then I save settings. When you save setting, automatically the forex factory is now going to set its time according to your time, and they are going to be aligned. And then just go to home, okay, and you can see the current the upcoming news events. You can even tap more right over here and see even tomorrow's news and get ready for tomorrow's news. Okay, so you can see the different news that are upcoming. Okay, so you can use this to take advantage of the high impact news if you want to be trading high volatility movements. Okay, yeah, so with that said, let me go back to my book and continue the rules. Okay, so another thing, I use another app that I get it from Play Store for Android users like me. It's called the FX Helper, to check on the currency of trends on different time frames. Okay, I want to be trading a stronger currency against a weaker currency, or a weaker currency against a stronger currency. So to know the strength of different currencies, I use this app called my FX Helper. So let me show you how to get it. So go to your Play Store like that, and just search my FX Helper. Okay, and then search. This app is going to pop up here. So as for me, I already have the app. As for you, you're going to be needing the app, so just tap install. As for me, I'll just open. Okay, so opening. In this app, I only use the currency strength only. The other things I don't make use of them. So you can see there's this tab called news currency. Just tap on it and wait for it to load. Okay, so right now we have the chart there, and then we have the bars down here. Okay, and you can see I'm using M15 time frame to view the different currency strengths. Okay, so at M15 I can see that AUD is the strongest, which has a strength of 88%, and USD is the weakest. It has 26% strength. Okay, so you can align in from the strongest to the weakest, or from the weakest to the strongest, like that. Yeah, so that's how to align them. You can also tap on different currency pairs that you want, the currencies that you want to analyze. Let's say, for example, I want to analyze like AUD and Japanese yen strength. So for AUD, the illustration is with a red is it a red line? and then for Japanese yen it is with a green line. Okay, so I can see that AUD is stronger than Japanese yen. So if I go to my charting platform like TradingView, I'll be looking for an opportunity to enter buys for AUD Japanese yen. Okay, and that's how I will trade it. Okay, so with that said, let me go back to my book, and you can also change the time frame right over here. You can decide to be trading on the H4 time frame, and you check on the different strengths. Like for example, you can analyze GBP and USD and see that GBP is stronger than USD, so you want to be buying GBP USD. Yeah, trading with the trend, and because the trend is your friend, so don't forget that. Okay, so these are very important tool to be using. You want to install it and use it. So let me go back to my book like this. Yeah, so at the third point, there's another app I want you guys to be having. It's called the FX Hours. It shows me the different trading sessions, okay, the New York, the London, yeah, so and the rest. So let me open the app and show you what I mean. So first I want to go to Play Store, download this app called FX Hours, right, like this. Just search FX Hours and open the app. So as for you, you'll have to install it. As for me, I already have it installed, so I'll just tap open directly. Okay, yeah, and you'll need to slant your phone a little bit. Okay, yeah, I'll let it load. So at the current time is where we have that vertical line, blue line. Okay, so it shows us that the Sydney session has already ended, and it ended at 10 a.m. You can see that the current time is 10:20, so it ended 20 minutes ago. You can see that this is a world map, and it's Tokyo. Tokyo is about to end within the next 1 hour 39 minutes. Okay, yeah, and then we already started the Europe and CHF session, which started at 10 a.m. Okay, and it will go for the next 8 hours 38 minutes. Yeah, and when it comes to 11 a.m. we're going to open the London session. The London session is going to start, and at 3 p.m. New York session will start. Yeah, so take note of the same. Okay, so the reason why I want to know the trading sessions, that I want to trade a currency that is active, a currency pair that is active. Okay, so you can do a combination. I can either decide to trade a stronger currency against a weak currency which is active. Okay, so one of the currencies at a currency pair should be active. That's what I want to be trading, and that's how I need this app to show me the different trading session. But by time you're going to get used to it, and you don't need to be coming back to this app to check on the different trading times, because you already know them. Okay, you're going to have mastered them. So let me go back to my app. So this is an app that you'll need if you are new to trading sessions. Okay, so let me go back to my book right over here. Let it open. So we're going to get back to the Forex rules right over here. The Forex rules. Yeah, something like that. So we're going to number 4 now. Okay, what I want to be trading. I want to try to figure out the psychology behind it. I draw the highs and the lows of the higher time frame, since those are the supply and demand zone, and apply strategies that I have mastered. Okay, what I mean is that my strategy should align to higher time frames analysis or setup. Okay, because higher time frames have higher effect on the price, how it's going to move. Okay, like the lower time frames like M5 and M15, I use them for entries, but for the setup itself I use the higher time frames just to increase my win rate. Okay, yeah, so on point number 5 is about the risk management. So I can't risk more than 10% in a trade. Okay, so I risk 5% to 10% of my capital per trade to make like 50%, 70%, even sometimes double. Okay, yeah, and place a bracket order. I mean, just place your entry price, your stop loss, and your take profit. Okay, yeah, your stop loss should be should be not greater than 30 pips, and it should be greater than 8 pips and not greater than 30 pips. Okay, yeah. Point number 6, use fire and forget strategy. When you pull out when you trade, don't start shifting your stop loss or take profit. Okay, just let it play out, either to hit your stop loss and take profit. Okay, we have now point number 7, we have the low risk filters. Okay, so the red major news, exit your trades before the upcoming major news. Okay, yeah. So for take profit, you can use liquidity or support or resistance zones to take your profits. Okay, yeah. Another thing, do not chase trades. Do not buy high or sell too low. Stretch from a moving average. For my case, I use the 21 simple moving average applied to medium price. Okay, yeah. So point number 8, take high profitable trades. I already said that. Okay, but check on the factors of confluence before taking your trade. If you have like 5 factors of confluence, yeah, take the trade. Don't use fire and forget strategy. Don't hesitate, take the trade. Okay, yeah. Point number 9, and in case your trade is in profit, much profit, and you want to trail it, since you see it will go into further profits, just shift your stop loss either to entry or into profit at zones that you think that price won't reach, and if it reaches, it will have nullified your hypothesis or your setup. Okay, yeah, just don't trail anywhere. Okay, just trail according to your strategy. Okay, yeah, trail trades in profit to lock your profits. So with that said, you're going to start at the trading strategies in the next class. Okay, so those are some of the rules that I use, and those are the rules for the basic plus intermediate level. There are more rules in the other levels. I hope you guys will join my advanced and professional class. Okay, where I'll be showing you many other factors of confluence and the other rules and secrets that I use to kill the markets on a daily basis. So with that said, see you in the next class. It's been your guy Shivo. Bye.